refrigeration reinvented. Turbo Air's M3 series reach-in refrigerators. With stainless steel cabinet construction, digital temperature control, an innovative hot gas condensate system, and our unique self-cleaning condenser, this is the ideal storage unit for all your refrigerated ingredients and supplies. The M3 series reach-in has a remarkably spacious interior. The LED lighting array prevents shadows and makes finding the right product simple and easy. And the top-mounted compressor maximizes storage and convenient accessibility. Turbo Air knows every second counts in a busy workspace like yours. The insulated doors are equipped with a pressure release, which means you can instantly reopen the unit after closing it. And the corners and edges are rounded to prevent injury. A digital temperature control and monitor system comes standard and showcases the latest in smart technology. The turbo cooling and freezing functions allow you to instantly drop the temperature of the unit with the press of a button. In addition, our hot gas condensate system prevents water overflow and leakage. By utilizing the compressor's hot gas pipe to condense excess water from the evaporator, it reduces energy use and cools the unit quicker than other top-mount units in the industry. This appliance, exclusively at Turbo Air, eliminates the need for drain pans while averting problems caused by corrosion and rust. Best of all, the M3 series reach-in will run smoothly for years to come. Introducing our patented self-cleaning condenser, which saves thousands of dollars in maintenance costs and hundreds of hours in lost time. A fine mesh filter catches dust, while rotating brushes run daily to move dirt away from the condenser. This revolutionary device comes at no additional cost. Join the Turbo Air family today and enjoy flawless design, state-of-the-art technology, and the fastest service in the industry, all at an incredible value. Every customer has the right to choose the best product,